Hi honeys, how's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Today I want to show y'all my my tabletop tripod. Okay, I got the big one that is as tall as me. But I recently bought this one. It came from Amazon. It's called Zomei, Z-O-M-E-I, tabletop tripod. And it was about $26. That's the name brand. This is what it looks like. I've got it extended as tall as it will go. Let me measure so I can give y'all a thorough review. Measure it. It's extended as tall as it will go. And did I crank this up as high? Let's see. Yeah. Okay. So I'm gonna measure it from, I think that's called a hot shoe or a hot foot. I don't know. 25 inches. So that's pretty nice size. And I'm gonna measure how short it can get. So this is what it looks like. It's nice and sturdy. Look at that. And it's easy to adjust. Pull back the flap like that. Push it. Pull back this. Push it. And lock the legs. It's just like my the big tripod, the way it adjusts. See that? This little flap is easy to adjust. It has a hook right here. In case you have an extra heavy camera, then you can hook something on here to stabilize this so it won't fall over if you got a heavy camera. You can also use your cell phone, but it has a, I need to learn what this is called. A hot shoe, hot foot, this thing. It screws onto the bottom of your camera. It has this kind of thing, so you don't have to be getting no screwdriver out. It has a little tab. You can see that tab. But I don't even need to use it. I'll just turn it. This is how it fits on here. Open this little lever here, and then just put it on here. Oops. Put it on here. And it'll lock down. It'll hold your camera securely. The camera will be attached to this, screwed on tightly. When you get ready to take the camera off, you can open that. You can tilt your camera. When you get ready to take the camera off, just open this and just lift it out. Okay, it also has an attachment for, some people use the cell phones. This screws onto here, and this fits in here the same way as if you were to use your camera. I'll do it. Put it in there, close it, lock it closed. Cell phone can go in here, and this adjusts. It stretches, and it's sturdy. It has a handle. Oh, in my face. It has this, I don't know what you call that, but it got it. For those of you all who know about tripods, okay, you can adjust your camera angle or your cell phone angle with this. and you can lock it in place. It has a knob here where you can raise this up, this knob, or push it down. Okay, it has this crank. See this handle here? You can crank this thing up and down to make this taller or shorter. Trying to stabilize it to crank. Okay, it's plastic, so you be careful. You don't want to break it off. So I just leave mine extended. Because if this part feels flimsy, the rest of it is heavy duty. But I don't know why they put this cheap handle on here, this little thing, to crank this up and down. But I'm going to crank it down so I can tell you how short it is. That is shortest. I'm cranking it down. See it going down? Take this off. This folds down. So I'm going to measure it. 12.5 inches. This is 12.5 inches. So if you travel and you need your tripod, tabletop tripod to travel with, it came in it had a bag. Oh, let me get it. Forgot about it. Here's the nice bag it came with. Put it in the bag. Okay. Because I don't use that because I don't take my tripod anywhere. But some people do. Okay, we'll fit in the bag and it'll zip up. I ain't doing all that right now. It'll zip up. It has a nice carrying strap. So. And it had a level on here somewhere. Let me see where that level. Oh, here it has a level, so you can tell if it's level or not. Okay, that's all I can tell you about this. I like this a lot. It's nice and sturdy, and I like that you can also use your cell phone and your camera. So, okay. So that's my review for the Zomei tabletop tripod. And it came with an instruction booklet, and I don't know where that is right now. This is what it looks like. Very nice. I highly recommend this. And I got it from Amazon, and it was cheap, y'all. Under $30. For something so nice and heavy duty, except for this little flimsy handle. It works, but I feel like you better be careful. So I ain't gonna be messing with that too much. But everything else on it is nice. Okay, thumbnail. Ain't nothing to show the name. Okay. That's 2 pounds. Well, at least that's what's on this mailing label. 2.1 pounds. So. So if you're filming yourself cooking, you need one to put this on your counter so you can film your food. So. You got to have nothing standing up in the kitchen, getting in your way, especially if you got a small kitchen. My kitchen is small, but I use my big, tall tripod. But when you're trying to get certain angles of your cooking, this will work. So I want to thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed rest of the day. Okay. Bye.